home theater projectors can offer a lot to movie lovers looking for a bigger TV alternative. But they also tend to require either a dedicated theater room or some serious shuffling around your home entertainment system. That's not always feasible. One solution is a short throw projector designed to be used at shorter distances. Unfortunately, many traditional short throw models still need 6 to 10 feet of space or more, which isn't really short for the average living room. What you need are ultra short throw projectors which angle a tight projection upward and can be used from mere inches away from a screen. That often means you don't have to change your TV setup much at all. Here are our favorite picks for best ultra short throw projectors. We have listed the top 5 ultra short throw projectors and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpick.com. Number 5. WEMAX Nova 4K Ultra Short Throw Laser Projector. The WEMAX Nova Ultra Short Throw Projector is a mid-level 4K laser projector. However, the picture quality and the features that it offers are quite sophisticated and justify the asking price. There's Android TV built into the projector and is accompanied by a voice command remote. Laser projectors generally produce sharper images, and that's exactly what you see in the picture quality of the WEMAX Nova. It can project a huge screen of 150 inches while being kept close to the screen, making it an ultra short throw projector. You also get HDR10 capabilities, which will look great thanks to the high 2100 lumens brightness. Of course, the output resolution is 4K. There's a 30-watt speaker on board with support for Dolby Atmos. As for connectivity, you get Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to connect to your smartphone or tablet along with 3 HDMI ports, a 3.5mm audio jack, a LAN port, SPDIF, and a USB-A port. The 60Hz refresh rate means it's ideal for entertainment, but not so much for gaming. While the picture quality seems great for the price, the one issue faced by several users is that the included instructions are poor, which means one might have to go through some hassle to set it up for the first time. Number 4. ViewSonic X2000B. Here's yet another laser 4K ultra short throw projector, this time from ViewSonic. Just like the previous option from XGME, this is also targeted towards home theater setups with its cinematic colors and Dolby support. The ViewSonic X2000B can output a screen that spans 150 inches, making it the perfect fit for watching TV shows and movies. Since it's an ultra short throw projector, you can keep it just a few inches away from the screen to achieve this output. There's coverage of 125% Rec 709 color gamut, which provides an immersive experience while consuming content. You get dual Harman Kardon Bluetooth speakers with Dolby DTS support for better sound output. The only downside of this projector is that the brightness is slightly on the lower side. So, even if you have a few light sources in your room, or you try using them in daylight, the picture just isn't bright enough. If you plan on using it strictly in a dark room with no windows, this shouldn't be an issue. In our opinion, the XGME Aura is a better option at a similar price, unless you want the brand value of ViewSonic. Number 3. Samsung LSP9T Premier. Samsung short throw projector has an excellent collection of specs that guarantee a high-end home theater experience while also saving a bunch of space. That includes a 2200 lumen bulb that ensures images will be visible even in bright room conditions, 4K resolution at 120-inch image size, and Samsung's own Tizen Smart TV platform for browsing apps and more. This ultra short throw projector also comes with 30-watt speakers, and while projector speakers aren't generally that impressive, these plus the built-in subwoofer are better than traditional TV speakers. It's also a smart projector with support for Alexa, Google Assistant, and Samsung's own Bixby voice assistant, so you don't have to get up when you can turn the projector on or search for a show with basic voice commands. Like many short throw projectors, Samsung's model is also fairly portable if you'd like to move it to different locations and doesn't require the same sort of calibration each time that other types of projectors may require. It's a complete package, although the price may deter some buyers. Number 2. Hisense PX1-PRO. Hisense Trichrome engine is the real highlight of this ultra short throw laser projector, able to reach 107% coverage of the BT 2020 color gamut. That means extra color accuracy, which is always an important consideration for projectors. Combine it with a peak brightness of 2200 lumens and you won't have to worry about losing any image detail if you're switching from a TV. It also provides a 4K image at up to 130 inches. We love to see a projector supporting Dolby Atmos sound format as well. Add in the HDMI eARC support for easy pass-through connections for modern speakers, and this is one of the best projectors for sound quality you can find. Thanks to its Android TV platform, it's also friendly for Google app users and supports casting video using the Chromecast tools. If there's any downside here, is that 130 inches is a fairly large space, and you'll need a lot of room for a screen that large, which may not fit in every home theater space. Number 1. Formovie Theater Ultra Short Throw Projector. On the one hand, Ultra Short Throw projectors offer a top-notch home theater experience at a fraction of the cost of a comparably sized TV. On the other, features like Dolby Vision that you expect on a good 4K TV are nowhere to be found on any projectors, UST or otherwise. That just changed with the launch of the Formovie Theater Home Projector. At a street price of $3,000, you get up to a 150-inch picture, a triple laser 4K DLP projector with Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, speakers tuned by Bowers & Wilkins, and Android TV. With Formovie's color management system, it also promises color accuracy we've only seen on $5,000 plus models like Samsung's Premier. It has a nice looking discrete design that would fit into most living rooms. The rectangular dark gray and black body is relatively small, with a pair of fabric covered main speakers on the front and 2 tweeters on the side. As usual on UST projectors, the triple laser light source and lens elements are located in a trough at the top, with a sensor designed to shut off the powerful light should you poke your head in front of it. It's cooled by a fan that can be mildly distracting during very quiet passages. It uses a 0.47-inch Texas Instruments XP DLP chip with a 1080p native resolution and 4x pixel shifting that effectively delivers a true 4K image. With 2800 lumens of light power, it's in the mid to upper range of UST brightness levels. The triple laser allows it to cover 113% of the Rec 709 and 107% of the HDR BT2020 color gamuts, while delivering an excellent 3000:1 contrast ratio. It also eliminates the rainbow effect that happens with single lasers and a color wheel. The 3300 Hisense PX1-PRO and 3500 VAVA Chroma are some of the few other models in this price range with a triple laser engine. Others are $5,000 and up. Keep in mind that projectors, even the latest UST models, generally aren't as bright as 4K TVs, so you lose some impact of Dolby Vision. However, the Formovie can display more colors than any TV and even most monitors out there, so you do get the HDR benefit of a wide gamut and billions of colors. Other models like Samsung's Premier support HDR10+, which is similar to Dolby Vision but much less widely supported. Another key feature is Android TV 11 support. Unlike with some other projectors, it supports 4K and Dolby Vision HDR streaming, so you can get the most out of Disney+, Apple TV+, and other supported services. It also comes with YouTube and numerous other apps, along with Google Assistant voice control, and you get a decent remote to access all that content, adjust picture settings, and more. In any case, Formovie is still ahead of some rivals in terms of its smart TV implementation. Optima's latest UST projector, the Cinema X D2, only offers smart TV features through an external dongle, for which they charge a cool $200. It comes with 3 HDMI inputs at the back, including one with eARC enhanced audio capabilities. It also offers SPDIF digital output, a 3.5mm line out, 2 USB-A ports, and an Ethernet input. The 42 millisecond lag time is sufficient for light gaming, but not anything beyond that. Finally, the Formovie Theater has a fairly impressive audio implementation. The built-in speakers are tuned by hi-fi company Bowers & Wilkins, and it supports Dolby Atmos surround sound if you have a compatible soundbar or 5.1 system. Setting up the Formovie projector was fairly straightforward on my 100-inch ALR screen. At that size, the bottom of the screen sits 14.6 inches from the bottom of the projector at a distance of just 9 inches away. Once the projector is roughly in place, you use the thumb wheel controls on the feet to level it front to back and side to side. It's best to avoid keystone correction as it can distort the picture, but it's there if needed. Some focus adjustments may be required the first time you use it, but it's best to wait until the projector has warmed up. The Formovie Theater offers features and image quality not found in any other UST projector even remotely in this price range. With a triple laser engine and Dolby Vision, it delivers a bright picture, high contrast and accurate colors. And if you're not quite satisfied with the picture right out of the box, there are a wide range of controls to adjust and calibrate it. When you're not in movie purist mode, it's also a great projector to use with some daylight streaming in for sports and regular TV. And the audio capabilities are a strong bonus, giving you a very minimalist setup if you don't feel like splurging on a 5.1 surround sound system. The main disadvantages are the lack of Netflix support and a slightly noisy fan. Best of all, the pricing is on the low end of a UST projector, and spending an extra couple of $1,000s doesn't give you a lot more. In fact, if you really want Dolby Vision, the Formovie theater system is the only UST projector option available. So, that wraps up our list of the best ultra short throw projectors. Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Let us know in the comments down below which ultra short throw projector you're going to choose. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please get this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.